Hey Cosmo, what's your order? So a Pokemon edition. You're lucky. That's the last one Pokemon edition wrapper in here. Okay. I'll just wrap around. Yeah, I just gotta put the beans, the correct beans too. Okay, I just have to refill because we're out of these. Okay. Okay. I'm just going to go with the fresh brown, the milk. Okay. Okay. What's your name? Kosmo? Komo? CKOMO? Wait, I never